Happy birthdays as well. You always find the latest courtyard permanent solution. Out of the box.
Hello and welcome to Radio Waves by Todderbert. If you enjoy reviews, comparisons, band scans of new and classic portable radios, then make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my most excellent videos. In front of us, the XHDATA D-901. This is an AM/FM shortwave radio with Bluetooth and MP3 player. You can find these on sale at Amazon for $19. It represents a really cool bargain. In this video, I'm going to perform a Daytime Shortwave Band Scan. Yes, it's been a long time since I've done shortwave band scans, and now I'm able to. So, definitely cool. We'll see what this thing can do. I have an external antenna, the Kaito T-1. It's a 22-foot wire, goes out to my balcony through the sliding door. And I will see how it works with that, because it has an external antenna jack on top here. If it doesn't work out well, we'll use the provided whip. So first I'll go over features, second I'll do a size comparison, and third I'll start cruising the shortwave band. So let's check it out, the XHDATA D-901. So it's rather lightweight, it's nice. For $19, it's amazing. You get a light on the side here, very cool, nice and bright in the evening. Going to the front, it's got a metal speaker grill, XHDATA, metal placard. And behind there we have a nice sounding 3-inch speaker. Over here we have a LED display. It's basic. I think gives track information for your MP3 player. Over here, of course, model number, radio when it's on. We have the FM band. You can see right there. We have an FM2 band over here, 64 to 108. And then we have the AM band, 520 to 17, it says 30, but 1710. Then your shortwave bands are broken up. You got 1 through 9. As you can see, the coverage broadcasts between 4.75 to 22 megahertz. So it covers quite a bit. For the money, it's amazing. So, all right, let's flip this up. Some stuff on top here. We have the controls for the Bluetooth and MP3 player. You got a mode button, backtrack, forward track, pause, play, fast forward, rewind. Type C rechargeable, which is awesome. This radio runs on 2 power sources, an 18650 battery and a D-cell dry battery, 2 D-cells. I'll show that to you in a moment. The little red light comes on when it's charging. You have your switch to turn the radio on, MP3, Bluetooth, or radio. Headphones, listening, nice. A micro SD card slot for MP3 playback, and of course USB, if you have a USB stick with MP3s as well. Here's your auxiliary in, so you can use this as an auxiliary speaker for a small device, and also for your shortwave antenna, or FM. We have our whip antenna, which is 26 inches. Nice. We got this like vinyl type handle, which is, I'm glad it's there. Makes it handy to move it around. But it's very lightweight without the D-cells and just running the 18650. On the back here is the battery bay. We do have some information there. You can see it's got the frequency coverage, what it runs on, lithium battery, 18650, or the D-cells. There you go. Let's go ahead and open this up. I think I keep the USB charging cable in here too as well. So let's see if I can get this open on camera. There we go. So, okay, yeah. So inside the D-cell battery bay, I even keep the patch cable there too. It all fits in there. So here's your auxiliary patch cable they give you. Nice. And of course they give you the USB to Type-C cable as well to charge the radio. And they provide the rechargeable battery, so you don't need to buy anything. No batteries right away. This thing will last you quite a long time. It's an 18650, 2000 milliamp hour variety. You can upgrade this. This is an unprotected button top. It's very simple to upgrade. If you don't want to run that, you can run 2 D-cell batteries here. So definitely a great off-the-grid radio. Liking it. So having those 2 power options is amazing. All right, cool. And it's a decent sounding radio. I like it. Let's do size comparison. All right, so yeah, I like a 901. It's awesome. We have a deck of cards. Yeah. Iron Man. He's the man with the master plan. He loves XHDATA's from, can you guess it, China land. He's Iron Man, cruising the shortwave band with Todderbert. Yeah. You get the idea. Have fun. Buy D-901 today. Okay. And next I have, I'm trying to figure out my D-808 here. Here we go. Cool. Current time is 10:02. This is the morning. This is Central Daylight Time, and I'm near Chicago, Illinois, USA. Give you an idea of my location. I have this handy in case we need a frequency check. I don't really want to get into that with shortwave. We're just going to breeze through and hear what we hear. May or may not ID anything. It just depends. If it sounds faint, or I get an idea of what frequency it's on, maybe I'll try to ID it. But otherwise, yeah, we'll just have fun. But there you go. This is the 808 compared to the 901. Give you an idea for size. Big difference. Big difference in price too. Single sideband receiver here is about $100 versus $20 or $19 if with the coupon. Yeah. So there we go. Cool. So let's go ahead and turn it on. But first we're going to plug in. I have that Kaito wire with the plug. So if you, here's the first time I've used this, so we'll see how it works. We'll plug that in. Here's our antenna running outside of my balcony, 22 feet. And we'll see what we can pick up. So I'm going to start out on band. Let's see. It's on 3. So that gives us 6.8 to 7.6. We'll hear if we can find anything. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this radio on, which is up here. We'll start at the bottom of the shortwave band there, 6.8. And tune it up. Now the newer 109 model, which is just the numbers reversed, it has medium wave breakthrough with the antenna hooked up. Now hopefully they address that and fix it. There's a power light on for the LED there. Not sure if we'll hear anything down here. We could, it's still early yet. I'm going rather quick. Okay, we're at just the... Yeah, okay, so the bottom of the 40 meter. We're hearing CW. That's cool. So we'll probably pick up upper sideband, lower sideband. There we go, some ham radio activity. I have heard full AM hams transmitting, which is nice. Where this radio would come in handy. So don't assume you need to have a single sideband. It just makes it easier to pick up long distance ham radio operators. So that was quite a bit of activity on the 40 meter band. We should pick up something here. So we'll go to the next band. Okay, so let's go back to the bottom. And we'll go to shortwave 4. The little selector down here. It's easily seen, which is nice with the white indicator. Nice switch, by the way. Works out well. Seems to engage right about here. Pick up Florida right about this area. Oh, nothing there. Okay.
Dear man showing himself to the church. No, you're not going to join yourself.
Okay, I'm not sure the dial accuracy, but that sounds like 9330. And I can verify that with the XHDATA, which I will. We got frequency. 9330. Raise the antenna.
No one else. Christ is not divided. He cares how busy who call himself Christian. And I said this to you. Why do you do this truth? Why do you do it instead of letting synagogue smoke your ass and examine yourself and get you believing right? Why do you continually are you so stiff-necked and so rebellious?
Okay, it sounds slow.
Yes, that's what you do. Jesus told us, nothing will come in the last days, and they will say,
We'll let it scan so we can find it. Cool.
and they will be
You get to listen to Brother Stare.
They will say, Lord, Lord.
Yeah, I can't find it with XHDATA. The 808 over here. Alright, we'll just keep tuning.
You don't understand that you are in this celebrating of the end of the world. Already been gathered. They are all the organized religious systems out here.
It's a pretty loud signal. You think I'd be able to pick it up? This antenna really makes a difference. You know what? I'm going to scan back. See if we can't find it. Maybe it's lower than I thought. I know towards dusk I can pick up quite a bit in here. Brother Stare again. Okay. Cannot find that with the D-808. I was doing some side scanning on the side over here. Okay. Dust. Middle of this light. It's perfect.
Not in 1,000 or 10,000 bodies. There's only one body. Do you discern the Lord's body? Do you?
I think the one's in Florida here. It's really strong.
It's not the church world. It's not the Methodist. It's
We can
not
try
the
to
Episcopalian.
frequency check
It's
this
not
one
the
too.
Seventh-day Adventist.
Why not? We got time.
So,
So, the D-808.
well, you're trying to tell us all the others are wrong and you're right.
50 maybe?
I didn't say that. I just said they're wrong. And Jesus is right. There is only one faith. There is only one way. There is only one God. There is only one Father of all of us who is born of the Spirit. And if you're not born of the Spirit, then you're of your father, the devil, and you're not under the one Father. I know you're not going to like that. You know what they did to Stephen? You know what they did to him? Huh? Stephen had fled with the people and did the same thing I'm doing with you. He took the scriptures and tried to show them how their apostasy, the traditions of their elders, and all of their religious system of his day had caused them not to recognize the Messiah. And because they had traditionalized the teachings. Worship me.
There we go, WWV 10 megahertz. Nice. Speaker sounds fantastic. Okay, go to the next band. We're going to go to band 5. And I'm going to go to the top and bring it back down again. Just the way to do it. I've noticed that there's some good accuracy towards the top of the band. These bottom bands not as accurate with the dial. So now we're on 5. Starting at 11.45. I guess that seems to engage here, so... we should be able to pick up East Coast, Radio Marty. Radio Marty. I found it.
La categoría de mejor actriz y la película argentina 1985 en la lista de mejores películas internacionales se quedaron a las puertas del tan ansiado premio. Bueno, lamentable, no pudo ganar en esta oportunidad en 1985, veníamos alentándola desde Chile.
I like the low tone of the speaker because it kind of takes the harshness out of the changing signal strength of shortwave.
Más allá de los premios, la gala de anoche transcurrió sin mayor sorpresa. Uno de los objetivos principales de la...
And the DSP tuning on this isn't bad at all.
Por el actor Will Smith. El cómico Jimmy Kimmel condujo una gala que tuvo sonrisas, espectáculo y probablemente una mayor audiencia. Alex Segura, Los Ángeles, Voz de América.
En instantes, Nicaragua prepara cortar relaciones con el Vaticano tras las fuertes palabras del Papa contra el presidente Daniel Ortega.
Maybe a fax signal? Sounds like waves in an ocean. It's cool.
Listen to them again, and it's like, what is going on? Stop it. And I'm not just talking about the energy sector, I'm talking about all of it. It's always...
Exactly.
It's just crazy.
If someone was standing on the corner saying the world was going to end on such and such date, it came and passed, you know what? We wouldn't put any credibility into that person. But yet we have climate change folks that have said for decades, since the 70s, this is going to happen, that's going to happen, this is going to happen. And none of them come to pass, but because they have PhD after their name, I guess we're supposed to just listen and change our whole lifestyle based on what they want. It is nonsensical to describe it.
And it's time that we the people took our country back. Stop listening to the politicians and stop letting them get away with this. I believe cards and letters and phone calls do work, but they've got to get them in mass. And that's what I keep telling my listeners they need to be doing. And it's difficult. It really is difficult to stay on topic.
Okay, cool. Let's keep going. We're now on 6. We're going to go to the top of that. Yeah, and then if we get time, we'll do FM, but I don't know if we'll have time or not. We'll see. Yeah, this D-901, pick one up. It's a no-brainer, $19 with the included battery. Yeah, rockin'. If you don't like it, use it as a flashlight. I'm having fun. It's great. I'm glad I can do this again. Reason being is wife is back to work 4 days out of the week, so I got an area now. She's not too happy about that. She's been working from home since the pandemic started. So 3 years she was here. In 3 years I couldn't really set up to do shortwave because this area was full of laser printers and monitors and everything.
Cita que entre el Estado Vaticano y la República de Nicaragua se ha planteado una suspensión de las relaciones diplomáticas.
Vatican News, el portal de noticias de la Santa Sede, informó que el gobierno de Managua ha solicitado al Vaticano el cierre de sus respectivas sedes diplomáticas. El politólogo Carlos Murillo atribuye a Managua la ruptura diplomática.
Históricamente, el Papa no rompe relaciones, más bien son otros estados que las...
Christ is coming for sure. You're listening to the Overcomer radio broadcast.
Brother Stare
Now
again.
this is a voice.
Man, I thought
of the
he
last day prophet of God.
passed on and must have a lot of money to keep broadcasting. Wow.
My mailing address, The Overcomer, Post Office Box 691.
We'll keep going. That's funny. When I first getting back into shortwave, I had this tiny little shortwave radio that could only get like one shortwave station, strongest one. That little junky radio I picked up for $1 at the Goodwill, and it picked up Brother Stare. That was great. So I was listening to his thing. I'm like Mr. Doom and Gloom or something. He's always talking about the end of the world. $20 here. Ham radio used. Alright, cool. So we're going to go with 7. We should be able to pick up hopefully 15 megahertz on WWE. Yeah, that'd be awesome if we could. Should, hopefully.
Geomagnetic storms reaching the G1 level are likely. Solar radiation storms reaching the S1 level are expected.
At the tone, 15 hours, 19 minutes, coordinated universal time.
A solar forecast too, that was nice. Very cool. Fort Collins, Colorado. I think it's around 850 miles from me. My location in Chicago here. Always super strong.
Internacionales, y más de especialistas cubanos en temas de tecnología en la comunicación política y la...
Well, it actually sounds pretty distant. I'm gonna try to tune it in with the D-808.
El plan de acción y la declaración final ocupan el centro de los análisis del segundo coloquio internacional Patria, nombre del periódico fundado 131 años atrás por el Héroe Nacional de Paz José Martí, para juntar y amar decía, para vivir en la pasión de la verdad. En el centenario de Patria, constituido el Día de la Prensa Cubana, que celebramos hoy en contexto internacional de gran complejidad, tiene que representantes de medios alternativos de prensa, influencers, periodistas y comunicadores de 14 países que dan cita aquí a la institución ciudadana de las Américas para abordar el tema de la comunicación política digital desde la izquierda. Articular un discurso antihegemónico frente al crecimiento de la ofensiva colonial, la manipulación y la mentira. Entre las propuestas para el plan de acción está la capacitación. Escuchemos algunas precisiones que hace Gabriela Rivadavia. Quisiera retomar un poco lo que decía ayer, cómo lo que hacer en la práctica,
Alright, we'll just keep going. I've been trying to find it. Alright. Pretty strong station. Got better. So there's a Vatican radio nearby here, and there's also Upper Side Band station out of Florida. There's the Florida station, Milton, Florida, the World International, I believe. Yeah, right, Upper Side Band. So I'm hearing a faint signal of music, where I think Vatican radio actually is 15655, I believe. Let me plug it in here. That's a tricky station to pick up. Okay. Boy, it's hard to frequency check shortwave. When you got a wire hooked up to here, and I'm trying to use the whip on the 808, this is definitely more sensitive. Hooked up to a wire. Wow. Very cool. Okay, that's what I heard on Vatican's frequency. This weird chirping sound. Seems to take over when they stop transmitting, or they aim their antennas a different direction.
Die out. As they block the sun, the plants are going to die, the animals are going to die, and we're going to die. But they don't care about that. Satan doesn't care about that. He wants us dead. Always. And always has. So that's where we're going. We're watching the abolition of...
Yep. Bank station there. Well, I didn't expect the shortwave to take this long. Cool. Well, it's me trying to find an ID on the stations. It's rather difficult. Yeah, let's go ahead and go up here. And now we're on the 8th segment of the shortwave band. Going quick here. Digital mode. Interesting.
To make a mistake and too good to do wrong. Would you pray this simple prayer with me right now to open your heart to Christ and it's...
Okay, last band, and yeah, I think we're done. Wow, we're almost at 30 minutes here. Wow, it's cool. D-901, having a good time. Shortwave band, rocking it. If you're still here with me, awesome. Having a good time with this. Don't think we'll pick up much here. Okay, cool. Some activity. Nice to have 20 megahertz. Now we're getting some noise from something. Might be from outside. Okay, cool. So that was fun. So yeah, so we have 1 minute left. Look at that. Let's see, how much FM can you cover in 1 minute? Whoa, FM 1. We're over here now. This is supposed to work as an FM antenna.
Freedom Home Care. Quality care with your comfort in mind. FreedomHomeCare.net. Heaps grace upon you. Give him a wee bit and he blesses you. He blesses you.
These partnerships aren't growing, as you said. You're talking about even though these aren't. At weamu.org. Samita, when you're done.
When you just need a little calm in your life, We've got the right song for that. Yes. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
Boys couples.
I have this thing LED now, so it's basically...
Game Sense remind you to play responsibly, and
it's your journey. Own every mile at the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event.
He is my not tomorrow, not next week. Honey bands make it rain.
Boneless wings.
With a designer at normandyremodeling.com.
Z domu aukcyjnej Sotheby's należał przed drugą...
Nice. Okay, so that was the FM band real quick. Cool. So there it is, XHDATA D-901. Awesome on shortwave. I love it with the external antenna here, and it works great on FM. Sweet. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big like. You guys are the best. 2, if you like XH Radio, want to see more, subscribe with the bell icon. And 3, comment down below the 901. Are you going to buy one for $20 or $19 after the coupon? Like, links in the comment section. Pick one up. Let me know if you're going to get one or if you have one. This is just fantastic. Enjoying it. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you in my next video.